Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. The Windows API, Application Programming Interface, allows developers to interact with the Windows operating system at a low level, enabling you to control various aspects of the system. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of learning how to use the Windows API with Python, along with code examples to illustrate key concepts. Before we begin, make sure you have the following prerequisites. Python, you should have Python installed on your system. You can download Python from the official website python.org. Pywin32, we will be using the Pywin32 library to interact with the Windows API. You can install it using pip. A code editor, use any code editor or integrated development environment, IDE, of your choice. Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, or Jupyter Notebook are popular options. To get started, you need to import the Pywin32 library, which provides Python bindings for the Windows API. Let's start with some basic operations on Windows. This code retrieves the currently active window and prints its title. This code enumerates all open windows and prints their titles using the enum windows function. Replace HWND with the window handle of the target window. You can simulate mouse and keyboard input using the Windows API. Replace X, Y with the desired mouse cursor coordinates. Replace A with the desired key. You can interact with processes and applications using the Windows API. This code opens Notepad. This code terminates all instances of Notepad. Learning to use the Windows API with Python can be a powerful skill for automating tasks and interacting with the Windows operating system at a low level. Experiment with the code examples provided and refer to the official documentation for more details on the Windows API functions and constants. Good luck with your Windows API programming journey. ChatGPT.